everybody, this is again MCRA Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MC. Wanna know how to make YouTube posts, or share your video with your subscribers through the post? Well, in this video you will actually find out how to do this. But to be really able to do so, you have to have reached 1,000 subscribers to see the create post. But if you have already reached 1,000 subscribers and you cannot still see that create post button, wait! Because, well, it will take several days, maybe a week, to really see that create post button. Before we start, just one more thing to say. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Now, right now, go down to this video and you shall see this red subscribe button. And please guys, do not let it be still red. Please guys, make it green. Please guys, if this red button is red, please just hit, click, or whatever you call it, to make it great. Yes, we're making so much to really make content to get your views, your attention, subscriptions, that I think we deserve this. And please guys, subscribe. And we're starting right after the intro.
Notification that I've showed you, and I will show you this right now. Here it is. So once you get the notification, you're gonna go to youtube.com, of course, and in this right corner you will press this YouTube Studio. This is how your YouTube Studio dashboard should look like. And here there are two ways to access the create post button. So first one is this one, create post, and you're gonna just simply tap, and then you're gonna create post, so you can make a video shout out. So for example, your YouTube video thingy, you wanna place, like for example, type in, guys, this video got a lot of views, thanks for that, or something like that, and then you're gonna tap post, but I'm not gonna tap post this thing. Also, you can make a poll, so add a poll, like here will be your question: how do you like my fits? And then the options, so great, good, not bad, bad, and the last option you can take up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So not bad and the worst. Yeah, but I'm not gonna post this. And as well as you can share an image. Yeah, so and you can also like type in something and just post it. This will be just a regular post. It's called the YouTube post, but I'm not gonna do this, of course. And now another way to really do this is that once you are watching something, or you're just like, I will click reverse flash, and even though if you are watching something, you can simply look, this is the plus button, and you can create video or post. So upload video, go live, and here you see create post. And this all will get you to community tab, and you can then post everything you want.
And here is a quick YouTube tutorial for the guys who are on the iPhone. So you're gonna go to YouTube. You're gonna, like, don't scroll down, just press this button, plus, and create post. And then you're gonna post working on a new video. And you're gonna maybe upload the image. Here it is. In the video you are watching at the moment, but it was not uploaded yet. When I recorded this screen recording, so post, and here you go. And you can view your posts on your channel, like right here in the community tab. So see, this is one. Like.
How do you view if you create a post? Like again, go here, go to YouTube Studio, and here on the dashboard you can see here your latest posts. So this is my latest post. Here you can see likes, comments, and if you make a poll, then you will see who voted what. You cannot see who exactly voted, but you will see the percentage like this. So you're gonna go to Community tab, and you see this thing right here, or this thing right here. So yeah, and another way to see is to just simply go to your YouTube, go to your channel, Showtime with Nancy, and then go here and just go to the Community tab. This is right here, and you'll see all your posts here. You can create a post here as well. So this was all for today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel because every subscribe is essential. Like, comment, and we are all for today. Bye. And guys, this video got a lot of views. Almost no